What do you think? Is the sky as quiet as we think it is? Or are we the ones who can't hear the voice of the stars? Why don't we hear the voice that the earth makes when it's rotating? Or are we not able to hear it? This phenomenon is explained in the light of science like this. Humans aren't able to hear every sound. We can hear sounds of frequencies from about 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Any frequency below 20 Hz is classified as infrasound, and any frequency above 20,000 Hz is classified as ultrasound. Now I want you to listen to the ultrasonic voice of a star named Pulsar. What does it sound like? Isn't it just like knocking on a door? The interesting part is that this star is mentioned in the noble Quran with the name Tariq, and the Almighty emphasizes on the importance of this star by swearing on it, saying,
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, was-samaa'i wat-tariq.
By the sky and the night comer, Tariq.
وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ مَا الطَّارِقُ.
And what can make you know what is the night comer?
النَّجْمُ الثَّاقِبُ.
It is the piercing star. The word Tariq means someone who knocks on a door. Tariq actually came from the verb tarq. Tarq means hitting something hard to make noise. So Tariq is actually someone who knocks, or someone who hits with a mallet. Let's listen to the sound of the star again and confirm. 14 centuries ago, in an age of darkness, an age of ignorance, an age far away from technology, Muhammad, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, who lived in a desert, who doesn't even know how to read or write, talks about this star with the name Tariq. Don't you think this foresight should be questioned? Who else can know the sound of a star far away from our galaxy other than the messenger of the All-Knowing, who created Tariq and all of the other stars and knows how they all sound like? Can he be anyone else but the messenger of the Almighty Creator? Can the Quran be the words of a liar? So whoever is the creator of the stars, he is the one who sent his messenger with his words in the Quran to tell us about them. For 14 centuries, we have been aware of the star called Tariq, which sounds like it's knocking on the door. Quran is a book that the Almighty sent, which lets us know about the universe. It might surprise you, but this isn't a huge miracle. It's just a miracle bit that we could discover. And there's much more to it than that. Are you ready to discover? The one who creates knows. And of course, the one who knows talks. What is said in the Quran are not just random words. What is said in the Quran are so on point that the scientists have no other option than to confirm it.
दीन की बात फैलाना सदक़े जारिया है। सवाब की नीयत से वीडियो को शेयर जरूर कीजिए। जज़ाकल्लाह।